Capture, manage, control and share your construction projects in one tool with BauMaster. Whether you're online or offline, BauMaster allows you to work comfortably and efficiently on all devices. Create your documentation right on a construction site. No need to wait until you're back home or in the office. BauMaster's project-based software organizes all information into clear projects, giving you a well-structured digital construction file. Map your project team with the simple organization of contacts. Companies and contacts can easily be assigned to future projects and tasks once they are created. You can capture information through site protocols, tasks, drawings or the BIM model. It's entirely up to you. BauMaster offers the right workflow for everyone. Create templates for any types of protocols such as minutes of meeting, snagging lists, inspection records and much more. Share tasks, protocols and drawings via email directly from the app without registering in BauMaster. You can track which recipients have opened the documents and which have not. A standout feature of BauMaster for weekly inspections is continuous site meeting minutes. You can easily carry forward open tasks and general information from one meeting to the next throughout your construction project's duration, ensuring nothing is forgotten. Plan construction phases, sections, milestones and tasks intuitively with BauMaster's clear digital construction schedule. This way you can monitor all package types and track the overall project progress. The entire team has access to the current program, ensuring everyone stays up to date. You can not just copy tasks, protocols and programs as templates, but entire projects as well. Using these master projects helps you save time while implementing standardized and proven processes across your team. Manage and share your drawings as easily as your tasks using BauMaster's comprehensive plan management system. Keep track of all drawings and use the global search feature to filter by projects, tasks, status or packages. This allows you to instantly find any information you need. Once the project is complete, export your digital construction file and deliver it to the employer in an organized manner. Beyond these well-designed features for construction project management, BauMaster provides transparent and consistent license fees, customer-driven development with free updates, comprehensive software onboarding and training, and dedicated personal support that extends well after purchase. Stay in control of your construction project management and master your construction site with BauMaster.